All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Toyota Corolla. It is the LE model, this beautiful white with a black cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, only 14,000 miles on this beauty. Check it out, your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. And your tires, right? This over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM FM CD player on and all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Boom. Get your AC controls right down below. That's steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 14,205. Looks good. Keep the lights on. Open up the trunk. Push it down here. Boom. Keep it moving. Rear passenger seat, what that looks like. The holes, the tears, the rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Does have a couple of chippies. It's no big deal. Deck lid looks pretty good. I do see a dent here. Some will paint off. Of course, trunk space and what that looks like, pretty nice. Do have a spare tire here with some tools and owner's manuals right there. See another little dent over here, about 4 inches. No paint off on that. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger side hubcap and your tire thread over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good as well. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire thread for this side is over 730 seconds as well. Lights are working, car is on, things are fantabulous. Folks, once again, a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE model with 14,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.